Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. If you want to learn Quran with proper pronunciation, then subscribe to this channel. Let's start today lesson. This lesson is about hurufe muqatta'at. Muqatta'at means single letters. Muqatta'at means single letters. Hurufe muqatta'at. The first one is Alif Laam Meem. Second is Alif Laam Meem Swad. The third one is Alif Lam Ra. Next is Alif Lam Mim Ra. Next is Kaf Ha Ya Ain Swad. Next is Taha. Next is Mim. Next is Sin. Next is Yasin. Next is Swad. Next is Hamim. Next is Hamim Ain Sin Qaf. Next is Qaf. Next is Noon. As you have noticed that three new signs we have studied and learned in this lesson. So when mud sign comes, the letter on which it is written on which it comes, that letter will be stretched up to 3 seconds long, and the letter on which this shad or shadda signs comes, that will that letter will be connected to the previous one, and the letter on which comes this sign standing fatha, that will be read long up to 2 seconds. One other explanation is also I want to mention here, that when this shad comes on a letter, that letter will be connected to the previous one, and for a while of 1 second the sound will be held in nose, and nasal sound will be produced. The sound will be held in nose, which is called gunna. This is mad. This is shad, and this is standing fatha. So let's read again the first one. Alif Lam Meem. As you have noticed that first I read Alif, then Lang, the voice of Lam. I read as long up to 3 seconds, and then Meem. But while reading Meem, a gunna side is produced. That is the function of shad. So let's read again. Alif Lam Mim. If mud sign comes, that letter will be stretched up to 3 seconds, and with shad sign comes, that letter will be connected to the previous one, and a sound and noise will be produced. Just like I read it again, notice it. Alif Lam Mim. I read first Alif, then Lam, and long the voice of Lam because of Madda. Because Madda sign is over Lam. And then I also long the meme sound, while there is also madda on meme, but shad is also on meme. So nasal sound is produced, which is called gunna. So alif lam mim. Similarly, we will also read the next one. Alif Lam Mim Sod. Move to the next, and this will mad and standing fatha will comes. Alif Lam Ra. I read the Ra up to 2 seconds long and Lam up to 3 seconds. Go to the next. Alif Lam Mim Ra. Go to the next one. Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad. Go to the next one. Ta Ha. Go to the next one. Ta Si. Ta Si Mim. This is Ta Si. Next is Ya Si. Next is So. Next is Ha Mim. Ha Mim Ain Sin Qaf. Next is Qaf. Next is Noon. So in this lesson we read three new signs. One is mad, and the second is shad, and the third one is standing fatha. So the rule is, while reading these signs, is that on which letter the mad comes, that will be read long up to 3 seconds. The letter on which comes standing fatha, that will be read long up to 2 seconds, and the letter on which a shad sign comes, that letter will be connected to the previous one, and the voice will be hold in nose up to 1 second, and so sound will be produced. So practice all these and repeat it again and again. Inshallah, it will be very easy. By practice, a man becomes perfect. So take care. Assalamu alaikum.